Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss, especially for those living in drought-prone areas or just looking for sustainable water solutions. We'll be talking about the air fountain system, an incredible technology that literally pulls water out of thin air. That's right, it's like magic. So, stick around, because we're about to explore how to survive drought with this innovative system. The air fountain system is a game-changer when it comes to accessing water during droughts. Let's dive right in and learn how it works. Before we start, if you want more information about the air fountain system and how to build one for yourself, click the link in the video description for more information. The air fountain system is based on a technology called atmospheric water generation, AWG. It takes advantage of the fact that there is water vapor present in the atmosphere all around us, even in arid environments. Here's how it works. Air intake. The system draws in ambient air through a series of filters to remove dust and impurities. Cooling process. Next, the filtered air is cooled down to a point where the moisture in the air condenses into water droplets, similar to how dew forms on grass in the morning. Condensation. These water droplets are then collected and passed through a purification process to remove any remaining impurities, ensuring you get clean, safe drinking water. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of the air fountain system for surviving drought. Sustainability. It's an eco-friendly solution that doesn't rely on traditional water sources like rivers or underground aquifers, making it an ideal choice during water shortages. Independence. With the air fountain system, you can become less dependent on external water sources and avoid the risk of water scarcity during droughts. Quality control. The water produced is free from contaminants, ensuring you and your family have access to safe, clean drinking water. Versatility. It can be used in various settings, from homes and farms to disaster relief situations and remote locations. Now, let's talk about installation and maintenance. The air fountain system can be installed on rooftops, in gardens, or even on vehicles, depending on your needs. Maintenance is relatively straightforward, involving periodic filter replacement and system checks. Manufacturers typically provide detailed maintenance instructions to keep your system running smoothly. And remember, if you want more information about the air fountain system and how to build one for yourself, click the link in the video description for more information. There you have it. The air fountain system is a remarkable solution for surviving droughts and securing a consistent supply of clean water. It's sustainable, cost-effective, and can make a significant difference in areas where water is scarce. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others who might benefit from this life-saving technology. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, with innovations like the air fountain system, we can turn the tide against drought and ensure a brighter, water-secure future for all. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you next time.